Messing around on Sweet Project cars, and I saw that he used Mother's product for restoration of headlights. I used it on the right, the passenger side, but not the driver's side yet. You may not be able to tell yet, but the right side, passenger side, is definitely a little bit brighter. I'll show you the outside momentarily. This is the driver's side headlight. There's a little bit of calcium there. I used one of those 3M products before that you put on a regular drill to sand this stuff down, but it starts to come back because mainly I didn't wax it. I used the Mother's Mag and Aluminum product and it cleared it right up. So Sweet Project cars is a reliable source. I saw a video on Sweet Project cars about how this little product here, Mother's Mag and Aluminum Polish, can help take the haze off of your headlights here. I did use a 3M product before with the disc to wet sand it, so on and so forth, but it's starting to come back again. So as they say on Sweet Project cars, I'm gonna let Mother's put a spanking on it. For my pads, I got some things off of Amazon, some kind of, it says matte, MATCC. These come in like 17 bucks for 7 pads. They come in 6 or 7 inch. I'm going to be using the compound and just a regular drill. Nothing fancy about this. It's just one that you can get at any of your stores. But I did the other one and it did pretty good. The only bad part is it's battery operated, and this is a fairly inexpensive drill, so the battery doesn't last very long. So I'm going to let Mother's put a spanking on it, as they say, and let's see how it comes out. No particular way to put it on, as he said. Doesn't have to be fancy, doesn't have to be cute. Here we go. Already it's a major difference. Then I'm not going to bore you with it. You guys know how to wax and polish. Just as he said, the Mother synthetic wax. Now fellas, you can get this in any store, but I used to hate Ross till I discovered that they had this product. It had an automotive section, and so I'm gonna put this on here. I've seen another guy, Chris Fix, who talked about putting a he taped it off and put a clear coat on it. I'm not going to do that for this video, but that Mother's product definitely works. That's all for now. This is my reply video. Bye. Trying this on an extreme case. This is my pastor's vehicle. He doesn't know I'm doing this. They're still inside the church having cake, celebrating someone's birthday. So I'm gonna try to do this real quick and see how well it works. seems like an extreme case. I gave him the other half of the 3M product I had. He hasn't had the time to get it done. So I'm just gonna be a good member and try to hook him up. Let's see if this works. He said he was driving and his wife, the co-pastor, asked him, were the headlights even on? I said, yeah, baby, the headlights on. They're just that dim. Sorry for the background noise. We parked by the HVAC system. And even though it's Florida and it's December, it is still cold. There's Pastor Mike right there. He doesn't know I'm doing this. He don't know what I'm doing. He just coming outside and see me doing something to his car.
God bless you. I still don't know what you're doing. What are you doing with my car, man?
Restoring the headlights.
Bless you. Video back there.
It's an extreme case, but it's starting to look better. Is it looking better?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's like. What's gonna happen when I shine the lights on, folks? Folks gonna think I got my lights on bright.
Might need a second coat. Pastor's in the back and he said it's starting to look better.
Oh man, it's already. Can't leave me hanging though, man. You got to. Man, dude, I don't know
Yeah,
around like
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
Man.
So it's not quite a surprise because Proactive Pastor came out, probably below some stuff, trying to be a good husband. We're going through a study by Dr. Tony Evans about Kingdom men serving their wives, and so he's putting it into practice.
Thank you.
Easy on the YouTube comments, just say amen. The only disadvantage to this method is your battery will run out. But I charged both of them last night, so hopefully I should be able to get the whole job done. This is an extreme case. Wanted to see if it would work. If so, Sweet Project Cars is definitely a good resource.
That's better before and after. That's definitely different. Yeah. Good job.
Just gonna check my work. He says it's looking better. This was a very extreme case. This is the other side, which is very much the same. Pause to save the cell phone battery, and I'll give you the after. Coats, for this one, ran out of battery juice, but I'm recharge it and let it go. I put some wax on it so it wouldn't cause further damage. But the pastor's happy. He's going to work on his Florida 10 now.